Alright, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit since the last video. I don't know, I guess I just haven't worked on any stuff that I felt like was good for a video or something anyway. But today we've got one that should be pretty quick and easy. I have somebody that wants some basic like landing skids for their 10-inch quad. So I'm just going to whip up some basic little landing skids. He said the the uh, the motor mount is 20 by 20. So that's basically all we have to go on. I made him some previously for a smaller quad, and I don't remember. He asked that I make these a little bit more low profile than the last one, so that's about all I really had to go on. So let's get started. First, I started a sketch here, and like I said, the screw hole layout is 20 by 20. So let's do construction line here from the origin, um, 10 millimeters at 45 degrees. Zoom in on that. And then create our first screw hole, 3 millimeters, like that. Oh, I didn't want that to be construction though. There we go. So that's a regular line. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use a circular pattern. So click that circle, and we select the center point, and we want 4 of them, like that. Here we go. And let's see, so that's going to be our screw holes, and then I know that there's going to be recessions for the screw heads, and those will be 6 millimeters, right? So let's do, I should have done this before the circular pattern, but we'll just do it again. So another circular pattern, click that circle, center point, 4, there we go. And now let's create basically the outline for the whole landing skid. We want it to be bigger than bigger than the recess for our screw head. We still want to have some material outside of that. So let's see, let's just make it an even 30 millimeters, all right? And then, so now we'll make sort of like the base first. So we'll extrude, this does not need to be a construction line either. So now we'll extrude, because we have this profile, and I want this to be 1.5 millimeters, right? And let's see, now let's create another sketch on this plane perpendicular to the last one, and we'll hit P for project. We're going to project the top surface of our body here, and then let's say how tall? Let's see. We already did 1.5 millimeters, so let's do another 8.5. That'll make it 10 total, I think. Yeah, that should be good. And so let's do a spline, bit point spline. So we just need one here and one here. Hit enter, and then I want this to be flat on top, so we're going to flatten that out. We pull it out a little bit, and then this one, zoom in some. Yeah, that looks good. And now let's finish the sketch. Do a rotate. Select our profile, and then select our axis. With that, we get a nice dome shape. All right. Now, let's see. We can use. Let's create another sketch. All right. But let's go ahead and make the first one visible. All right. And we're going to project our 4 bigger circles here. All right. And that's all we need. Now we'll finish the sketch. We're going to do an extrude. We'll select all these like that. And we don't want to extrude from the very bottom. We actually want to extrude up. Oh, actually, wait, I forgot. I don't want to do all these. I just want to do, let's see, I'm going to do 2 separate ones. So let's unselect 2 of them, all right? Because I want 2 of the holes to go all the way through at the bigger size and 2 of them to be the smaller size, so that 2 of the screws will hold the landing skid on and the other 2 will go all the way through to the carbon to secure the motor. Okay, and so we can just extrude those all the way through. I don't want all that. This is all jacked up. Let's start over. All right, grab this one, this one, this one, and this one. Pull that up so that we're extruding through the whole thing. All right. So we got those 2 holes, and let's bring that sketch back, make it visible again. And now, on this one, let's select all 4 again. E for extrude, pull that up, but what we're going to do is we're going to change the start from the profile plane to an offset plane. We want to set that to 1.5 millimeters. Oh, it needs to be negative 1.5 millimeters, like that. Now we can get rid of this sketch. See, now we have this little shelf with the screw heads to hold the landing skid on. Alright, and let's go ahead and fillet these holes. Like so. And what we can also do, just to cut down on weight a little bit, start another sketch on the bottom, create a circle, 8 millimeters sounds good. Extrude that up to about there. And then what we'll do too is we'll fillet, F for fillet, with that, and we'll do our radius, which is 4 millimeters. And so that gives us a nice domed interior to that spot, so it won't need supports or anything. In fact, what we can do is take a look at it. We'll do a, where is it? Blah, 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 blah. Section analysis, okay? See? So there's a nice little domed area in there, okay? Cancel that. There you go, that's it. Nice little landing skid. Let's give it a color. I always like doing that. Hello. There you have it. A 20 by 20 landing skid. There you go. Let me know if you have any thoughts in the comments. Give it a like or subscribe if you feel like it. Take it easy.